Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video is another one of our defend the grab technique. It's defending the arm grab. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support. Have a great day and enjoy the training.
One, from here. Lao Sao Pak Sao punch, Pak Sao punch. From here, Lao Sao Pak Sao punch, Pak Sao punch. One more time, Lao Sao Pak Sao punch, Pak Sao punch. These are all drills we've been working on. So there are times we've worked on it. We have it in Wing Chun. Some of the arm is up there. They're coming to grab the arm, right? They're coming to grab the arm. So when I come to grab his arm, he's going to Lao Sao around, check and punch, check and punch. He's going to immediately put pressure on me. Coming to grab his hand, move around, check and punch, check and punch. Do not let them grab your hand, all right? Come in, start slow, and then gradually.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.